If you're planning to buy an iPhone 16 Pro Max right now, it may be worth slowing down before spending over $1,000 on a device that could lose a huge chunk of its value within months. The smartphone market has created a cycle where consumers feel pressured to upgrade every single year, mainly for camera improvements that often feel revolutionary in advertisements, but only deliver small, real-world differences. At the same time, reports and supply chain discussions suggest that Sony may be preparing something that could completely change the conversation around mobile photography. The rumored Sony RX100 Mark VIII is generating excitement because it could offer the kind of imaging power that makes flagship smartphone upgrades feel less necessary. For years, many people believed dedicated compact cameras were finished because smartphone photography became so advanced. Companies invested heavily in computational photography, AI enhancement, and software tricks that made small sensors appear more capable than ever before. However, even the best smartphone cameras still face unavoidable physical limitations. Tiny sensors struggle in low light, image quality drops when lighting conditions become difficult, and long video recording sessions often lead to overheating or battery drain. Dedicated cameras, despite becoming less mainstream, still hold advantages that smartphones simply cannot match. Recent reports surrounding Sony's camera registrations in regulatory databases have fueled speculation that a new premium compact camera launch may be close. Historically, these certifications often happen only a short time before an official announcement, which has led many technology watchers to believe the next RX100 model could arrive soon. While details remain unofficial, leaks suggest the new device may include a redesigned 1-inch stacked sensor capable of dramatically improving low-light performance. This matters because sensor size plays a major role in photography. Bigger sensors capture more light, preserve more detail, and create cleaner images without relying too heavily on software processing. Think about situations where smartphone cameras often struggle. Night photography in restaurants, concerts, city streets, or indoor environments usually pushes phone cameras to their limits. To compensate, phones aggressively process images, brighten shadows, and sharpen details using artificial software methods. While impressive, these tricks can also produce unnatural textures and blurry results. A dedicated compact camera with a stronger physical sensor can achieve cleaner images naturally, preserving more realistic colors and fine detail without relying entirely on digital enhancement. Video recording is another major reason many creators continue to value dedicated cameras. Anyone who has filmed extended 4K footage on a smartphone knows how quickly heat becomes an issue. After several minutes of recording, screens may dim, processors slow down, and recording performance may decrease to protect internal components from overheating. Dedicated cameras are designed with imaging as their main purpose. Better thermal management allows longer recording sessions, more stable performance, and fewer interruptions when capturing important moments. Battery performance also plays a surprisingly large role in long-term value. Smartphones already handle messaging, apps, calls, navigation, and social media throughout the day. Adding heavy photo and video work increases wear on the battery significantly. Over time, battery health declines, leading many users toward expensive repairs or upgrades. Dedicated cameras separate imaging from everyday communication, reducing stress on your phone while offering replaceable batteries that can easily be swapped during long shoots. The rumored improvements to the RX100 Mark VIII reportedly extend beyond image quality alone. Speculation points toward modern USB-C charging, improved color depth for video editing, and enhanced 4K recording capabilities. If true, these changes would modernize the lineup significantly and make older compact cameras feel outdated. Many current users of older premium compact cameras may eventually move toward newer technology if Sony successfully upgrades video performance while keeping the camera portable enough for everyday carry. Of course, there is one major factor buyers cannot ignore: price. Premium camera technology rarely comes cheap, and expectations suggest that Sony's next compact camera could launch at a premium cost. While spending over $1,000 on a compact camera may initially sound excessive, some buyers may see it differently when viewed as a long-term investment. Instead of upgrading to the newest premium smartphone every single year for camera improvements, some users may choose to buy a dedicated camera once and keep it for several years while using a less expensive phone for daily tasks. This shift in thinking changes the buying equation entirely. Rather than depending on smartphones for professional-level photography, people may begin separating communication devices from creative tools again. Smartphones remain incredibly convenient, but dedicated cameras still offer unique strengths that software alone cannot fully replace. If Sony delivers meaningful upgrades with the next RX100, it could encourage many creators and casual photographers to rethink how they spend money on technology and whether yearly smartphone upgrades are truly worth the cost.